Hi guys, in this video I show you how to add a clickable link to your PDF using Canva. Let's go. First open Canva and click on create to create a new PDF document. Instead of creating a new PDF, you can also use an existing PDF, upload it in Canva for a new project and continue with this video to add a clickable link. Click on create and now you can select any template or document style you want, because adding a clickable link is possible everywhere. Just to show you an example, I'm clicking on docs and then I'm gonna find a template to choose and add a clickable link. Let's scroll down and yes, let's select this one, project plan. We are going to scroll down inside this document. Let's for example select this text box right here. Just to show you, I'm gonna type in canva.com and I'm gonna mark and select this text box. You can click on this link button on the floating toolbar. Now you can type in the exact link you want to share, for example this web address canva.com, then click on done, and you can edit it also later by clicking on this pencil icon. In the top right corner, if you click on share and then on download, you can change the file type if necessary to PDF standard and then click on download. The file is starting to download and after it's finishing, just click here in the top right corner, open it, then scroll down inside the document and click on the link to test it. You can see that after clicking on the link, we are now on the Canva homepage. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.